just started doing something for my business that I always do, and I thought you guys might like this quick tip. As you can see, I am on YouTube and I'm loading a video. So I'm going to show you this really cool Google extension that I use to make my videos stand out. You highlight your title, whatever your title is going to be. Go over here, and as you can see, it's called Fancy Text for Facebook, Chat, Games, and More. And I'm just going to click on that. It's called Font Candy, and it pulls up all these fonts. So now, as you can see, it already saved my wording. I'm just going to scroll down to the one I want. I'm going to hit copy, go over here, hit backspace, copy and paste, and there you go. Now you have a title in a different font that's going to make yours stand out.